Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to look into how to render HTML files using Express. So for that, we need to install EJS. It's an npm package. We can start by installing that. EJS stands for Express.js. So it will be used for writing HTML code. And before that, as we discussed in the previous video, we can send data using post and put request. Uh, we'll also see how to send data in the get request. So for get request, it will usually not be in the body. We'll be sending it as a query along with the URL. We'll log the data here. The data whichever we send will be stored in a query. We'll just see an example of that. Here, by sending get request in the query, you can take like username. Just start the server. Yeah. So here we are getting the result, and you can see that the URL has changed here. The only reason which we use post request for sending data is if, like for example, if you are in the login page and sending username and password, it will be sent as along with the URL, so it will not be a good experience. For that's the reason we use post request. Okay, now to render HTML files, we have installed EJS. EJS stands for embedded JavaScript. So we'll just create a directory for that to store all the EJS files. It should be named as views. It's a traditional way of naming folder. Like whenever we render that, it will search from views directory, and we'll just create an index.ejs file. This is the index.ejs. Here we can start with the HTML boilerplate. Just we can rename it the title as however you want. Yeah. Now we'll try to render this HTML onto the browser. So for that, we'll just use rest.render. Render is a function. Just give index. So for that, we'll have to write a middleware, which will be app.set view engine as EJS. So all the EJS file will be used. Like we need not write as index.ejs. Let's just see by starting the server. Yeah, go to localhost colon 3000. This will come from the HTML file. We can also edit and see. Like if we refresh it, yeah, we are getting that. So this is how you render HTML files. Like it's basically EJS, but what we are rendering is HTML only. In the upcoming videos, we'll try to develop a better application using the Express. Thank you.